What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel Dogecoin, and we have some very interesting things to talk about in this video, guys. Twitter's secret restructuring is happening behind the scenes. What does this mean for Dogecoin? Will Dogecoin be the face of the, quote, everything app? Well, we're going to jump in and find out in this video, guys. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe down below for more content. So let me take you inside this article. Now, we know what happened recently with Doge, and they changed the Twitter logo. Then they changed it back. It wasn't everywhere. It was somewhere in the US. Here's the thing. Something is happening with Dogecoin. Something is brewing with Doge and Twitter. That we know, right? So here we go. This is what I want to get to. So Twitter Inc. has undergone a major corporate restructuring without any official announcement. It merged with X Corp on April 4th, as court documents revealed. The documents also state that X Corp is a privately held corporation owned by X Holdings Corp, of which no publicly traded corporation owns 10% or more of the stock. So this is Mario, our good friend from Twitter on all the spaces, does a fantastic job. A filing at Southern District of Florida shows that Twitter Inc. has merged with X Corp and now Twitter no longer exists, technically, right? X Corp's parent company is X Holding Corp. The new phase of Twitter will be X Corp. Is this the start of the everything app? So X Holdings Corp is owned by no other than Elon Musk, who filed 3 holding companies called X Holdings 1, 2, and 3 in April last year to acquire Twitter for $44 billion. Now, reports suggest that Musk is working on creating a new super company that combines Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, The Boring Company, and Twitter. The merger between Twitter and X Corp was filed in Nevada on March 15th, just last month. So the impact of this merger on the Twitter app in the short term is uncertain since it has not been officially announced. However, it could be the first step by Elon to turn Twitter into the everything app called X, which focuses on payments. The rumors about the Twitter coin and the integration of cryptocurrencies such as Dogecoin as a means of payment have been circulating for a long time, and it seems that Musk is currently focusing on fiat payments and a Reddit-like reward system with Twitter coin. Now, I think Dogecoin is going to be a part of this as well. It's likely Dogecoin and other cryptos are going to be integrated here into the app very, very soon, and we know that this is made public, that Twitter wants to go into crypto and go into fiat, off ramps and things like that to make it easier to transact digitally. For the Dogecoin community, this is huge. This merger may bring them closer than ever to the day when Musk announces Dogecoin as a payment method inside X. At present, Doge's price is still at 8 cents. We popped up all the way to 10 cents on the logo change, which was fun. It was exciting. It was interesting. But what could be coming down the line could be much, much bigger for Dogecoin. This is why the people who are saying Dogecoin's dead, I don't think they're accurate. There is a lot happening behind the scenes that we don't know about. And Elon has something up his sleeve, guys. There's no doubt about it. He has something up his sleeve. What exactly it is, we're going to have to wait and find out. But I'm excited. You should be too if you're a Dogecoin investor. Appreciate you guys as always for stopping back by the channel. Don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.